Neck and shoulder pain are common afflictions in our fast-paced, technology-driven world. Many of us spend long hours hunched over computers or mobile devices, leading to poor posture and subsequent muscle strain. Yoga, an ancient practice combining physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, offers a holistic approach to relieving this pain. By incorporating specific yoga poses into your routine, you can alleviate discomfort, improve posture, and enhance your overall well-being. Neck and shoulder pain can result from various factors, including poor posture, prolonged sitting, stress, and repetitive movements. The muscles in these areas can become tight and strained, leading to discomfort and reduced mobility. Chronic pain can significantly impact daily life, making simple tasks challenging and affecting mental health. Yoga helps alleviate this pain by promoting flexibility, strengthening muscles, and encouraging relaxation, offering a natural and effective remedy. Before starting your yoga practice, it's essential to prepare your body and mind. Begin with gentle warm-up exercises to increase blood flow to the muscles and prevent injury. Create a comfortable space for your practice, free from distractions, and use a yoga mat for support. Listen to your body and modify poses as needed, especially if you are a beginner. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise routine is always advisable, particularly if you have existing medical conditions. Here are 8 great yoga poses for neck and shoulder pain. Number 1, the famous cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana Bitilasana. This gentle, flowing movement between 2 poses helps increase flexibility in the spine and neck while warming up the shoulders. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale, arch your back, drop your belly, and lift your head and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your navel toward your spine, cat pose. Continue to flow between these poses for several breaths. This pose improves mobility in the spine, relieves tension in the neck and shoulders, and promotes relaxation. Number 2, child's pose, Balasana, a resting pose that gently stretches the back, shoulders, and neck while promoting relaxation. Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and knees apart. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the mat. Relax and breathe deeply. This pose stretches the shoulders and back, relieves neck tension, and calms the mind. Pose number 3, thread the needle pose, Parsva Balasana, a twist that targets the upper back and shoulders, providing a deep stretch and releasing tension. Start in a tabletop position. Slide your right arm under your left arm, resting your right shoulder and ear on the mat. Extend your left arm forward or wrap it around your back. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. This pose stretches the shoulders and upper back, relieves tightness, and improves mobility. 4, extended triangle pose, Utthita Trikonasana, a standing pose that stretches the sides of the body, including the shoulders and neck. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn your right foot out and your left foot slightly in. Extend your arms parallel to the floor. Inhale, reach forward with your right hand, and hinge at your hip to lower your right hand to your shin or the floor, extending your left arm upward. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. This pose stretches the shoulders, neck, and sides of the body and improves balance and posture. 5, Eagle Arms pose, Garudasana arms, a seated or standing pose focusing on stretching the shoulders and upper back. Sit or stand comfortably. Extend your arms forward, then cross your right arm under your left, bending your elbows and bringing your palms together. Lift your elbows and stretch your fingers toward the ceiling. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. This relieves tightness in the shoulders and upper back, improves flexibility, and enhances focus. Number 6, bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana, a back bend that strengthens the back and neck while opening the chest and shoulders. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press into your feet to lift your hips, rolling your shoulders underneath you and clasping your hands. Hold for several breaths, then release. This will strengthen the back and neck, opens the chest and shoulders, and improves posture. 7, legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani, a restorative pose that promotes relaxation and relieves tension in the neck and shoulders. Sit with one side against a wall. Swing your legs up the wall as you lower your back to the floor, adjusting so your hips are close to the wall. Relax your arms by your sides and close your eyes. Hold for several minutes. This will promote relaxation, relieve neck and shoulder tension, and improve circulation. Pose 8, Corpse Pose, Savasana, a final relaxation pose that allows the body to rest and integrate the benefits of the practice. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths, allowing your body to relax completely. Hold for several minutes. This will encourage deep relaxation, reduce stress, and help the body integrate the benefits of the practice. Tips for consistency and progress. To experience the full benefits of yoga, consistency is key. Establish a regular practice routine, starting with a few poses each day and gradually increasing the duration and intensity. Combine yoga with other lifestyle changes, such as maintaining good posture, taking breaks from prolonged sitting, and managing stress through mindfulness techniques. Always listen to your body and adjust your practice as needed, ensuring that you move within your comfort zone and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Yoga offers a holistic and effective approach to alleviating neck and shoulder pain. By incorporating these specific poses into your daily routine, you can relieve discomfort, improve posture, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember to practice regularly, listen to your body, and make necessary modifications. Embrace the holistic benefits of yoga for a healthier, pain-free life. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos.